HTML. Now we can start. What is HTML? Getting started. Why we can use HTML? What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used for creating the website. Every website is not different, but one thing is common. That is HTML. Like that, engine is the main part of car. Like that, HTML is the main part of website. Everything is held on the HTML, like content, graphics, text, everything. What are the polynomial mean? Web server. Web server is that collecting of more than website. Website collecting of more than one pages. Web pages are the first page of home page. And what is home page? First page of website. Think about first of all, when we are creating the HTML or when we are creating the website, these are the following things. These are the following things which are going to help us for making the website. First thing, you are the thing about what you are taking and what you are text in this the website. What are the graphics? What is the main topic? And connect them and makes a web page. How to create and view a HTML document? First of all, we can create the HTML as a text editor like that Notepad and Sketchpad. Notepad is this better than Sketchpad. Create the HTML file from the Notepad, then save the HTML file from .html. It is the main link of HTML file. Then open your file on any browser like Internet Explorer, like Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. It is the then open your file and go to on the source document. Source document is the file which we can save from .html. This is the source document file. Then your HTML page is now created on the website.
What command should we use?
It's moving.
Yes. For moving the text. That is mark you. Right? This is also mark you. Okay?
Any questions?
Yes.
This type of websites have been developed. This type of websites have been developed until अब तक कितने तरह की वेबसाइट बन चुकी है? And HTML versions
4.0 and 4.5.
You know, sometimes we get such kind of link. What is this? Right now, we get such kind of link. What is this? Yes.
Sir, to recommend that
It is called hyperlink. It is called hyperlink. Okay, how to make the table in HTML? There is command table.
sir, I am not your paid for after meeting.
You need tables, you need friends. Okay, one more thing. Drafting.
Welcome to everyone present here. Myself Sony, Vincent EC, and I'm going to present a presentation on transparent electronics. The contents are introduction, technology, transparent electronic devices, advantages and disadvantages, future scopes, and differences. The next slide. Introduction. Transparent electronics is by transparent electronic circuitry. The technologies used in this transparent electronics are transparent conducting oxides and transparent film transistors. The basic aspects on which are used, the basic aspects of transparent conducting oxides which are used in transparent electronics, it's with high optical transparency and high electrical conductivity. This slide shows the basic structure of a TCO host and after an energy density of TCO host after degeneration. In degenerate doping is done at such scale that semiconductor device behave like metals than more than a semiconductor. Bursting MOSFET. In bursting MOSFET, after doping, there is a change in bandwidth of semiconductor material, and this change in bandwidth is due to bursting MOSFET. Transparent electronic devices. There are basically two kinds of transparent electronic devices, that is transparent active devices and transparent passive devices. Next, transparent passive devices. This slide shows the basic structure and plan of transparent thin film resistors. In thin film resistors, the width of end and part are equal. Next, this is the basic structure of transparent thin film capacitor. Transparent thin film inductors. In transparent thin film inductors, number of turns of inductors are made more quick. It has a drawback. It increases the parasitic resistance of inductor. Transparent active devices. Transparent active devices are the heart of transparent electronics. In this transparent thin film transistor, the channel is made of high insulating material, ZNO, and source gate and drain is made of highly conducting material. There are two possible configuration of transparent thin film resistors. There is bottom gate and top gate. In bottom gate model, it is a staggered model, and top gate model, it is a two-planar model. In this source gate and drain are at same level. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantages. It has low temperature processing. It is compatible and safe. Disadvantage. It has low frequency operation, and it is a new technology. So there are so much incompatibility by using this device. Application. It is basically used in provide transparent conductors, transparent laptops, transparent buzzers, etc. Future scope. In future, it will be used as solar window, and in safety purpose like invisible camera and RFID protection devices. New technology, and in this basically we are replacing traditional semiconductor devices by transparent circuitry. It basically provide useful aspects in conservation of several resources, like in the place of so many costly semiconductor devices, or so many costly metals we are using in circuitry can be replaced by just simply high insulating semiconductor oxides and
you used two terms, active and passive.
yes.
Okay, devices. What is this? What is this?
So in active devices, additional energy is provided for their operation, but in passive devices, there is no need of additional energy.
There is no need
Of additional energy like resistors, capacitors, etc.
Okay, how to define device?
Device, sir, which have any functional aspects, such as fan, resistor, capacitor, etc.
What is technical definition? Bookish definition of device. Technical definition.
So it is combination of engineering in engineering in the field of technology. So it means it is an invention in which we are using so many technologies for our general comfort level.
My topic is solar energy, the ultimate renewable resource. Myself, Goswami, from Mechanical Cadet. Yes, sir. What is solar energy? Firstly, I describe what is solar energy. Energy come from sun. जो एनर्जी सन से अपने को मिल रही है वो कौन सी है? सोलर एनर्जी. एंड सोलर एनर्जी को प्राप्त कैसे होती है? सोलर एनर्जी originate with the thermonuclear fusion reaction during in the sun. सन के अंदर अपने को दो रिएक्शन मिलती है थर्मोन्यूक्लियर. इसमें क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन की टक्कर से अपना क्या मिलता है? सन नीचे सन की रे आती है और इससे अपना क्या मिलती है? सोलर एनर्जी. एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज. एडवांटेज ये बिल्कुल ही इसमें कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं होता. ठीक है. सबसे बड़ी एडवांटेज है कि कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं है. छोटी सी एडवांटेज क्योंकि सन है वो 24 घंटे तो मिलेगा नहीं हमको. ओनली 12 आवर्स सुबह 9 से लेकर शाम को 4 बजे तक 5 बजे तक. इसके अलावा अपन सन का यूज नहीं कर सकते. हाउ मच सोलर एनर्जी? सोलर एनर्जी सन से अपने को 100% एनर्जी ऊपर से आती है. उसमें से 25% स्कैटर्ड हो जाती है और 17% एनर्जी वो ट्रांसमिट हो जाती है. अपन हिट यूज कर पाते हैं ओनली 9% एनर्जी. 9% एनर्जी अपन क्यों यूज कर पाते हैं? सोलर वाटर हीटिंग सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें यूज करते हैं? हीटिंग वाटर में. हीटिंग वाटर में कैसे? 2 मेथड ऑफ हीटिंग वाटर, पैसिव और एक्टिव. एक्टिव की एक्टिव मेथड इन बोथ द प्लेट. अब इसमें हीटिंग वाटर में क्या होता है? अपनी को प्लेट होती है, प्लेट को एकदम सही लगाना होता है क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ प्लेट पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर प्लेट सही होगी, ठीक है, तो जो भी रे आ रही है रे रिफ्लेक्ट करेगी. रिफ्लेक्ट करने के बाद अपने को कितनी एनर्जी मिल रही है? इस पे वाटर एक्टिव लाइट. इसमें अपने को दिखाया गया सोलर कलेक्शन. यहाँ पे सिलिकॉन की अपने को प्लेट गिर रही है. सिलिकॉन की प्लेट से सन की रे गिर रही है. सन की रे गिरने से क्या होता है? जब वाटर कोल्ड वाटर यहाँ से जाएगा तो सिलिकॉन गर्म होगा. गर्म होने के बाद क्या होगा? यहाँ से अपने को हॉट वाटर मिलेगा. ठीक है. इसका सबसे बढ़िया यूज है कि अपन इसको हॉट वाटर को हीटिंग कर सकते हैं. हीटिंग वाटर लास्ट. अब एक्सचेंज ऑफ सोलरिटी. किसी भी चीज़ की एक्सचेंज अपन 100% नहीं कर सकते तो इसकी एक्सचेंज अपन मैक्सिमम 77% कर सकते हैं क्योंकि 47% एनर्जी है सोलर की एनर्जी वो नीचे आ रही है. 47% से ज़्यादा अपन उसको कंज्यूम करना पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. स्पेस बेस्ट डिजाइन ऑफ बिल्डिंग. अगर अभी एक नया रिसर्च हुआ था उसमें देखा गया कि अमेरिका में क्या हुआ? एक बिल्डिंग थी. बिल्डिंग क्या थी? जुगाड़ अपनी गाड़ी खरीदी थी. क्या हुआ कि उसमें उस लाइट ऐसी लाइट आई कि वो जुगाड़ वो पिघलना स्टार्ट हो गई. ठीक है. तो अपन कितनी एनर्जी उससे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं? कैसे? अगर उस प्लेट को एकदम अपन सही तरीके से लगाएं तो अपन बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं.
अरे रखना कल जितने पार्टिसिपेंट हैं उनको बोलो जीते नहीं है. जो पार्टिसिपेट भी किए हैं उनको कल 10 बजे बॉडी में पहुंचना है. उससे वहाँ विनर का नाम बताया जाए.
एक ही
हाँ उस पर उस विनर को आपको बुलाना है. आप बुला लो.